This is the Edifier QD35 speaker, Bluetooth speaker, but one interesting thing is that it has a GaN charger inside. I don't know how many ports it has, but we'll take a look at it later as well. And we also have the tester tool to see what kind of charging speed that it can bring and what kind of protocol it supports. Let's just unbox it and see what it has. Okay, so this product is technically a year old at this point. I don't know why Edifier still sent it to us, even though it's a year old, but I'm not complaining. This thing is unique, and they also have released a new one called the QR35. It has 65 watts of output, stereo speakers, and it looks completely different than this. So you need to use the Edifier Connect app, then you can customize quite a few things like the lighting, update firmware I think, and then for this one you can even connect it via USB, then you can use it as a USB speaker, but then it's only USB type A. The accessories, what do we have? Power jack, USB A to A cable. Okay, this is weird. And then audio jack, okay. And then we also have the power jack. User manual, not gonna touch this. Okay, so we have a very big Edifier logo at the top here. Then we shall just skip all the way to the back. Here we have on-off switch, or the power jack, 3.5mm audio jack that is also included, and USB-A. So this USB-A here is to be used to connect to your laptop or desktop, which I find it to be funny though, since you already have audio jack, you can still use USB-A. I mean, okay. From the front, we have one tweeter, one main driver, subwoofer, I don't know, it's somewhere inside here because you got two big vents here. And then for charging port, it's here, USB-C and USB-A. And then from the side here, you have one dial to change the light. And then this power button here, you can change between different modes as well. So for the app, it's kind of simple. So you have 3 different modes that you can select from. So music, game, movie, and also DIY, which can also be toggled by this button here. So you can also select the volume here. The volume is kind of weird. It's from 0 to 16. And then soothing sounds. I think these are all, yeah, those ASMR sounds. I don't know if it should be called ASMR sound. You know those soothing sounds like crickets, chorus of the night, what? Okay, this one should be better. Swiping to the right here, you can select what color you want. So we can have, you know, just all of these colors. We can also have glittering and colorful. Okay, gradient. Then this one is tempo, so it goes according to your music. Static and more. If we go for more, then we can actually download a few more, 4 more to be exact. Settings here, we got clock synchronization, okay, 24-hour. And then input source, so we can select Bluetooth, USB audio streaming, and also auxiliary. That's pretty much it. There's no firmware update. Okay, never mind. That's all of the options available on this speaker here. Sound test. Now, one last thing to try is the USB PD charging capability. Since we have this thing already, we can also test it out. So the testing has complete. I'll leave the pictures on the screen here for you to see the result. It does support quite a lot of charging standards, including USB PD 3.0 as expected, but it also supports PPS of up to 11 volts. So yes, 33 watts of USB PD PPS. I don't know why, that's a bit weird, but okay. So that means if you plug in something like the S24 Ultra, you will get the blue ring, and then you can use bypass charging as well. So yes, that's it about this little speaker here. It's actually not that little. Price, I'll leave it on the screen here. What he said and also what he said, the usage is interesting. Bedside speaker for one, study room for second usage. I think it's perfectly valid as well because you just sit there, listen to music while you do your own stuff and also charge your own phone. Kitchen speaker, yes, kitchen speaker. Especially, I think toilet. Toilet.
While you're sitting on the bowl.
Okay, can toilet. So you listen to music while you poop and also charge your phone at the same time, so you won't get bored if you bring in a device that has ran out of battery. Oh, ROG Ally. Yeah. Yes, yes, excellent. Okay, that's it. That's it for this video. Yeah, overall unique item. If you want to check out the higher end version with stereo speakers with also USB PD charging, then check all of those links down in the description below. Yeah.